Ammonium chloride is a highly versatile compound with a wide range of industrial, agricultural, and scientific applications. Composed of ammonium and chloride ions, NH₄Cl, this inorganic salt is commonly found in crystalline or powdered form, making it easy to handle and integrate into various processes. In agriculture, ammonium chloride is widely used as a nitrogen-based fertilizer, essential for enhancing crop yields and promoting healthy plant growth. Its ability to supply ammonium ions to the soil makes it particularly effective in cultivating rice, wheat, and other crops requiring a stable nitrogen source. Additionally, its role extends to animal nutrition, where it serves as a feed supplement to prevent urinary calculi in livestock, improving their overall health and productivity. The compound's affordability and effectiveness make it a cornerstone in the agricultural industry. Beyond agriculture, ammonium chloride plays a significant role in numerous industrial and scientific applications. It is extensively used in metalwork as a component of fluxes for soldering, brazing, and galvanizing, where it helps clean metal surfaces and ensure strong, durable bonds. In the pharmaceutical industry, ammonium chloride is employed as an expectorant in cough syrups, aiding in the treatment of respiratory conditions by loosening mucus. The compound is also a key ingredient in the production of dry cell batteries, where it functions as an electrolyte, and in textile printing and dyeing processes, providing consistency and quality in fabric treatments. Furthermore, ammonium chloride is used in laboratory settings for preparing buffer solutions and facilitating chemical reactions. Its diverse properties and widespread availability make it an indispensable material across multiple sectors, highlighting its importance in both everyday and specialized applications.